Hi, this is CJ. We are inside a typical rental unit. This is a kitchen. Color World paint, yeah, turn that on, is they do interior and exterior. Now this kitchen was painted about two, maybe 3 years ago. and we're going to get Justin's thoughts on this kitchen paint job. The cupboards were painted.
Yeah.
The prep work that you would do, because as a property manager, I'm always concerned that the surfaces are cleaned, especially in a kitchen, before they are painted.
Absolutely. When we here at Color World, when we prep kitchen cabinets for painting, especially stained kitchen cabinets, we remove all of the hardware, we remove all the doors, as well as the drawers. And then all of those surfaces will receive a light sanding just to give the surface some bite and adhesion when we go ahead and come in and spray the surface with a self-leveling primer. So that self-leveling primer will really create this smooth finish, and it definitely sets the base for a smooth finish.
So tell us what you think of this paint job.
So I'm seeing, some drips here. So this to me looks like it was probably brushed and rolled, because I'm seeing some kind of buildup at the bottoms of all of these doors. And then we can see some drips coming down in this area right here. So those are definitely things that we try to avoid, drips like this. And then we can even see the brush strokes right here. So we spray all of these surfaces, and we also use a self-leveling primer to create the smoothest base surface possible for the top coat. And the product we like to use on kitchen cabinets like this would be your Sherwin-Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel, and it is actually a product durable enough to be used on an exterior door. So this durable coating is just perfect for a high traffic area such as a kitchen. So
was this done with this paint job?
I don't believe so, and I also...
And what makes you say that?
Because, we can already kind of see the paint peeling away, and also this is not a sheen that I would recommend for kitchen cabinets, because it is a duller, more eggshell type of finish. And it doesn't have the same cleanability as you would get with like a semi-gloss or something glossier.
Okay, and what about these cupboards down here?
So these cupboards down here, we can see some more of the same inconsistencies with the coat. So we can see the brush strokes over here, some drips in the paint where it's just kind of running. We spray all of our kitchen cabinets, so we basically remove all these doors, then tape around, mask off, and kind of create like a mini spray booth within your kitchen. And then we spray to ensure that smooth finish.
Oh, outstanding. Okay, this is a great evaluation. So that is it for now with color paint and CJ.